Ukraine's war with Russia is being fought not just with tanks and missiles, but increasingly with innovation. While the world looks at billion-dollar fighter jets, Ukraine is building low-cost, high-impact drones. And now, they've introduced a game-changer, the GOGOL-M, a drone that literally carries other drones into battle. Let's understand how this unique mothership drone works and why it's making headlines around the world. The GOGOL-M is a Ukrainian-built unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV, developed by a startup called Strategy Force Solutions. But this isn't just any drone, it's a fixed-wing drone that carries two FPV kamikaze drones under its wings. Now, what makes this special is its function. It acts as a drone carrier. It travels long distances, up to 300 kilometers, flies near enemy lines, and then releases the FPV drones, which go on to perform targeted attacks. After that, the GOGOL-M returns home and can be reused for future missions. So essentially, it's like a mini stealth bomber, but made using cheap local tech. Traditional cruise missiles can cost millions of dollars. For example, one US Tomahawk missile costs around $1.5 million. Compare that to the GOGOL-M system, which can carry out a similar precision strike mission for around $10,000, but price is only one part of the story. This system also reduces human risk. Since everything is unmanned and partially autonomous, Ukrainian forces can strike deep into enemy territory without endangering pilots or expensive aircraft. It's part of a bigger shift asymmetric warfare where low-budget but smart technologies compete with massive conventional weapons. The two FPV drones carried by GOGOL-M are also highly advanced. FPV stands for first-person view. These drones send live video back to their operator, making it feel like you're inside the drone itself. They're not just for surveillance. These drones are fitted with explosives and are essentially flying bombs. In recent conflicts, they've been used to target tanks, artillery, and even trenches with incredible precision. But there's one challenge. Traditional FPV drones don't have long range. That's why the GOGOL-M is important. It brings these drones closer to the battlefield, extending their reach. One of the most futuristic features of this drone is its AI-powered navigation system called SmartPilot. It doesn't rely on GPS, which by the way can be jammed or spoofed by the enemy. Instead, SmartPilot uses vision-based navigation, meaning it understands its environment through cameras and sensors, like how a self-driving car operates. With this system, the drone can autonomously fly, recognize terrain, avoid obstacles, and even detect targets. This also means it can loiter, or wait near a location, and strike the moment an enemy appears. This is what makes it perfect for modern warfare. Low cost, low risk, and very smart. Ukraine has already deployed the GOGOL-M in combat. Reports suggest successful strikes deep inside Russian-held territory. The full details are classified, but experts believe this is just the beginning of how drone swarms and AI-based UAVs will transform warfare. The company behind GOGOL-M says they can produce up to 50 drones and 400 FPV units per month, depending on orders from the military. That's a powerful sign that this isn't a one-off experiment. It's becoming a core part of Ukraine's defense strategy. And let's not forget these systems are modular and can evolve fast, meaning more drones, smarter AI, and even swarming tactics in the future. To sum it up, the GOGOL-M is a glimpse into the future of warfare. Cheap, autonomous, and deadly accurate. It's not about who has the most expensive weapons anymore. It's about who uses smarter tools more effectively. And in that game, Ukraine seems to be innovating faster than anyone expected. If traditional warfare was about tanks and missiles, this new era might just belong to flying robots carrying other flying robots.